countdown to the new episode 24. Totally stoked about it. And we got some KB. Some very KB, by the way. So let's just talk about why I like smoking weed.
To win game at H&R Block. You can win $10,000 to pay off your bills or one of thousands of other instant cash prizes. Needs money fast?
It makes me happy. Keeps me calm, especially my ADD ass.
Up to 40% versus last year.
And,
that's up to 40% savings. And you put it on our new H&R Block prepaid max calculator. When you got H&R Block,
fucking killing half like the people I know. So that's about it for right now. We're going to continue through the stations. I've been like trapped in my house for 3 days now. And see what transpires over the next few hours. Basically, I can't do shit. Look, it's a pug! It's a pug! It's a pug!